after we did the Krog's Neck or Krog's Tunnel, I don't know why I suck at remembering names of things that we did. We decided to go to Sweet Hut Bakery and Cafe. So I can show you the road because it's raining and I don't have my umbrella. So Sweet Hut Bakery and Cafe, it's like an Asian bakery. When you come in, you have savory pastries here. And then you have the sweet stuff. So you come over here, you get your tongs, a piece of paper, and a basket. And you pick what you want from these tray cases. These are the sweet stuff. They have like red bean moon cakes, lotus moon cakes, donuts, everything your heart desires. And then you go over to the counter and yeah, they check you out. I am excited to taste all of the cool new stuff that I've never had before. I have something with taro in it. So I can't wait to taste it and let y'all know how it tastes. No, this is perfect. Thank you.
Can I use your tongs?
Yeah, of course.
I can take them.
So I got I think I took a receipt. Was there a receipt on the top of the box?
That's our receipt here.
I got it. So I got a taro butterfly, a chocolate cranberry, a coconut. Wait, so I got a taro butterfly. I got a coconut cranberry roll and a chocolate cupcake thing. And I also got some Madam Pies, just filled with something. Not sure what, but I'm really excited about the taro because I seen something about it in Hawaii. Like this is something that they eat there. So I'm excited. So the purple stuff is the taro root. Oh, this tastes so good. I'm sorry. It's cool, it's cool. It's fine. The taro was sweet and like nothing I've ever tasted.
You know what it tastes?
This is good.